much the home screen of the application. This is pretty much a template-based AI application. You won't be able to generate your own videos, but all you have to do is just pretty much upload a photo of yourself. As you can see here, a photo of someone and someone else. That's all you basically use this application here. So you have the behind the scene option here, which can pretty much upload a clear image of yourself. You get results like these. Same thing for these two-person. Upload image of two-person here. You have the pet option. As you can see here, upload you and if your pet have died or something like that, can upload your photo here. Pretty much using AI to turn it into a video. And as well, you have a lot of different options which you can use. You have the For You section here, you have the AI option here, you have the chat option here as well. You can go in the trending section to see other templates which you can use. You have the arrested and brought back option here. All you have to do is pretty much upload a image of yourself and you're pretty much good to go. And as well, we'll tell you how much coins it's going to need to generate a video like this. Once you tap on and generate now, we'll ask you to upload a photo of yourself and you pretty much get the results. Very, very simple. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you can see here as well, you have a template section. You have a lot of templates with this application here. Some of them you may need pro subscription to use. As you can see here, you see a little diamond icon at the top. Those templates, you're gonna need subscription to use these templates here. So as it relates to the coins and the subscription, you can tap on the top here where you see the subscription option or pro subscription option. Here you'll be able to see their prices. As you can see here, you have the yearly subscription and a weekly subscription. And pretty much what we get in the subscription templates and stuff like that. And as well, you do get the credit option. You can purchase credits. As you can see here, you can purchase 3,000 to 5,000 credits. So as I said before, guys, once you have the subscription, it doesn't mean you get to generate or create videos for free. You're still going to need credits. So if you have run out or finished credits, you pretty much will need to purchase more, even though you have purchased the subscription. So once you do purchase the subscription, they will give you credits. As you can see, you do get 2,000 credits weekly based on your subscription. So based on a weekly subscription, you only get 2,000 credits to use. So let's say you have finished that amount of credits before the weekly subscription expired, you pretty much have to purchase more credits. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this application here. And once you have pretty much generated anything at all, we'll go in the My section over here and we'll should be able to see everything that they have generated over here. And it will last up to 7 days. So do make sure you save it before it's expired and it will be automatically deleted. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to see if I can help you out.